What if I told you that for just $1, you could get access to the same YouTube growth tool that helped me triple my views in 60 days? And no, this isn't clickbait. I'm about to show you exactly how this platform transformed my channel and how you can get it for practically nothing. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel or feeling overwhelmed by YouTube SEO, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share the one tool that changed everything and how you can try it for just $1. Let's be real, growing on YouTube is hard. You spend hours creating content, only to watch it get buried under millions of other videos. You wonder, what keyword should I target? When's the best time to post? What are my competitors doing that I'm not? Sound familiar? A few months ago, I was throwing content at the wall, hoping something would stick. I had no strategy, no data, just pure guesswork. And my analytics reflected that disappointing views, slow subscriber growth, and honestly, I was ready to quit. Then I discovered VidIQ. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another YouTube tool promising miracle growth. But here's the thing, VidIQ isn't just another tool. It's like having a YouTube expert sitting beside you, showing you exactly what works and what doesn't. VidIQ is used by over 20 million creators worldwide, including channels with millions of subscribers. And today, I'm going to show you why, plus how to get it for just $1. Exclusive offer: VidIQ normally costs $24.50 per month for the Boost plan. But through my exclusive coupon code, you could try the full Boost plan for just $1 for your entire first month. That's less than a cup of coffee for a tool that could transform your channel. The link is in my description. It's the only way to get this $1 trial, and it won't be available forever. But I'm confident you'll see results because the data doesn't lie. If you decide to continue with VidIQ and you are comfortable with it, I want to be fully transparent. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and I'll earn a small commission if you make a purchase. But I'm only promoting this because I genuinely use it every single day. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in my description, sign up for the $1 trial, and spend the next 30 days actually using VidIQ's tools. Research keywords for your next video. Check what your competitors are doing. Use the AI ideas feature. I guarantee you'll discover opportunities you never knew existed. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's your biggest YouTube challenge right now? I read every comment and often turn them into future video ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next breakthrough video could be just one VidIQ search away. I'll see you in the next one.